Hello, my name is Veronica Ramsey, and I will be explaining how sexism and poverty can be obstacles to equity in schools. In the videos by Sumner and Kozol, I learned that poverty in schools is the modern segregation. Schools today are separate and unequal because of racial and economic inequality. This can best be described with the term school stratification, which is a systematic hierarchy in which the best schools and educational opportunities are found in high-income neighborhoods, and the poorest schools are found in low-income communities. Researchers found that more poor students and students of color are found in low track classes and not in college preparation courses. This leads to academic segregation. Academic tracking is one of the most damaging practices to impact the education of our students. Tracking refers to placing students by perceived abilities into different ability groups, classes, or career paths. When schools are stratified, teachers often hold lower expectations for poor students and students of color. They blame children for the lack of achievement, when it is in fact urban poor schools that are disorganized, do not have strong educational faculty, or are not well led. To remedy this, many schools participate in the idea of overreaching, and that is when schools that need improvement bring numerous programs as part of school reform. However, these programs do not build on each other. There is no overarching vision and school mission that coordinates the program, and it can create tension and confusion. Background into sexism and racism. Swim and her colleagues conducted many studies, and they found that there was a correlation between strong individualistic values, inequitable values, and racism and sexism. Individualistic values focus on individual merit, effort, and achievement, whereas egalitarian values think everyone should have equal access to opportunities. People who hold egalitarian values believe that we must develop ways to address inequalities. They also found that gender equality is intersectional because patriarchy, class, white privilege, and race come together in oppressive ways. They defined the term glass ceiling, which is a social and institutional obstacle not based on merit or ability, which serves as a barrier to the advancement of women and people of color in financial and career opportunities. To protect the rights of women and men, Title IX of the Education Amendments of 1972 was created, and this protects women and men from grade school through graduate school from inequities in the areas of sports, scholarship and financial aid, employment, counseling, health benefits, admission, and sexual harassment. Today, there is a new sexism in which two main beliefs are relevant. The first is girl power, which describes girls who were assertive, strong, and intelligent, and suggests that girls can do anything. Pomerantz and her colleagues suggest that girl power is dangerous because it ignores the social obstacles that exist. Baker found that girls have fewer career options. Successful girls is the belief that girls are much more successful than boys. This led to the failing boy idea. However, data suggests otherwise.